Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the control panel. In the control panel, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the Do Not Disturb mode option, and once you find it, as you can see, mine is turned off. And if you want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, you can tap on it to switch the switch on, and the status will turn to on. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And on the watch face, you will see this icon right here, the speaker with X next to it, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, open the control panel again. Scroll down, find Do Not Disturb, tap on it like this. The status will go back to off, the switch will turn off, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.